Share your smile with the world. It's a symbol of friendship and peace. In the cookie of life, friends are the chocolate chips. Surrounded yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher. A true friend knows your weaknesses but show you your strengths. Anything is possible when you have the right people there to support you. There is nothing I would not do for those who are really my friends. True friends are always together in spirit. Happiness is a moment with you. A faithful friend is the medicine of life. Friends make the world beautiful. A friend is someone you can call at any hour to laugh or cry or complain. Best friends are people you don't need to talk to every single day. You don't need to talk to each other for weeks, but when you do, it's as if you would never stop talking. Dear best friend, please stay in my life forever because you are one of the best things to ever happen to me. He is your best friend because he believes in you when you don't believe in yourself. Fake friends are like shadows. They follow you in the sun but leave you in the dark. Friends are made by heart, not by skin color. I hate when someone says they hate someone and then they hang out with them. Dear best friends, I just wanna say thank you for being awesome, for always being there, and for always making me feel happy. Friends are angels that lift us to our feet when our wings have trouble, remembering how to fly. Good friends don't let you do stupid things alone. I only roll with goddesses. Support your friend even if you don't support their situation. If we treated ourselves as well as we treated our best friend, can you imagine? A brother is a friend for life. Brother, you make a great friend. Anything is possible when you have the right people there to support you. Surrounded yourself with people who get it. Share your smile with the world. It's a symbol of friendship and peace.